So today I'm going to show you how you can just withdraw the money you just earned from the YouTube to your bank account and then to the FXPesa. This is just simple, like 1, 2, 3 if you just watch this video up to the end. Hey over there, my name is Dan Tech, and if this is your first time to be over here, all we just deal with here is just making money online and also reviewing some websites and apps that just claim that you can just make money with. So all you can just do is just subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification so that you can just be notified anytime I upload new video, and also like this video so that it can just be recommended by YouTube algorithm. And let's just start this video right after the intro. So I'm going to start somewhere so that everybody can just be on board, right? So I'm going to start with the requirement as you just require so that you can just start being paid by YouTube. And it is very easy because some of you just know that, but we are just going to YouTube, and if you're just using the mobile phone, I want you to click on the right side up there, just click those dot, and then you just go to the desktop mode. The moment you just click to the desktop mode, it will just go and then click your icon and then YouTube Studio and just bring you something like this. So I'm going to the monetization over here, and you can see I'm required to have what you are just required to have 1,000 subscribers at any time and 4,000 watch hours. So to get 1,000 subscribers actually is very easy, but to get 4,000 watch hours is something that becomes very tricky. But I think one day I will just share on how to get that one very fast. Yeah, so I'm going to the ADSENSE account. That is the money you just make on the YouTube. It will just be sent to your ADSENSE account. And to open the ADSENSE account, just make sure that you are logged into your email and just go to the ADSENSE account, and then there are some details that you just have to put over here. You just they just ask you some questions, and then you have to do that one, like copying the YouTube channel link. Yeah, so that is just number one. You just go over there, copy your channel link, and then you just paste it to your ADSENSE account, something like that one. There are details that you just have to provide to the ADSENSE account, and the moment your ADSENSE account will just be connected with your YouTube account, then every time you just be receiving money to your account, to your ADSENSE account, and then you can just connect the ADSENSE account to your bank. Now what happens is that YouTube will just pay money direct to your ADSENSE account, and then ADSENSE account will just be paying you at every 21st of every month. Okay, I will just repeat this one. By the way, there are some complications over here on how YouTube just pays, because the money you just earn, you can see them on the YouTube analytics, but the moment you just receive them on your probably, okay, I'll just give example with me. Okay, let me just show you over here. Let me just go to my ADSENSE account. So the money I just receive on my ADSENSE account is just comes on the 9th of every month. That is the money that is just sent from the YouTube to the ADSENSE account. Is just sent to my ADSENSE account. That's where I just receive it on the 9th of every month, and then the money is released on 21st to the bank account, and then I receive it on 23rd to my bank. I think you have understood that. So by the way, to earn your payment method, of you just required is to make money at least $5 on YouTube on the ADSENSE account, and then you can just apply for a pin. The moment you just apply for a pin is very easy, and you get your pin, then you just require to earn the method of payment, which is something very simple. Yeah, so the pin, all you just have to make just $5 after connecting the account, after monetization, after applying for the monetization, after all that, just apply for the pin and then make $5. Then you can just apply for the pin, and the moment the pin is sent, then you can add your payment method. So the payment method over here, we are just going to click manage account payment, manage payment, and then I want you to select over here. Just don't select the bank because it just takes a lot of processes. All I want you to do is just select over there wire transfer, and the wire transfer, by the way, you can just select the international banks that just offer international those things. So you just select one of the favorite bank of your choice. You put your bank's name, bank Swift code. The Swift code, by the way, is the key point over here because it's the one that we just verify that your bank is international bank. And to get the Swift code of every bank, you just go and search Swift code for the banks in Kenya, and then just get them over here, and then you come and paste it over here, and you just, after doing that one, you just save, and then you can just select if you want this to be primary method of payment, because the payment methods can be, you can add many payments method, and then you just save, and then you are just done with that process. You see, is that one. So the money you just make on the YouTube will be sent on the Google AdSense on the on the 10th of every month. You just set it the 10th, like 10th, and then you just be paid to your account on the 21st of every month, and then you can just take like 5 business days for the money to come exactly to your bank from ADSENSE. Yeah, so that's what exactly what happens. So it is just simple like that one. So I'm going to show you one of the receipt of the payment that they just received from the YouTube. Yeah, so I'm going to the YouTube transactions. I'm going to show you, by the way, the receipt you just receive after the money has been sent to your account. You just be notified, they will tell you that the money has been delivered. If you just not receive money in the 5 business days, then you just have to contact your bank. So on the side of payment, I'm going to the payment and just show you how much, not how much by the way, but the receipt you just receive on the AdSense after the money has been sent to your account, right? So I'm going over here to the payment up there, and I'm going to select some other way. So I'm going to select the payment, and after selecting payment, I'm going to change over here. You can see this payment is for just 3 months only, so I'm going to select this here. Also, this is a payment, by the way, but it's just 3 months ago. So I'm going to select this here so that we can just see the receipt over here, download over here, and make sure that your payment methods are correct, because if you are not correct, you have problem of payment. Yeah, so I'm going to over here to this is now the receipt. You can see the payment receipt. After payment has been made, this is the receipt. And if you have not received money to your bank in 5 business days, then you just have to go with that receipt to your bank account. You can show them that and tell them that I have not received my money, and then you just have to do the follow-up. But I'm sure that if you just put the correct bank account, bank number, anything that's just required over there, then you just, there's no delay for your money. Your money will just be sent to your bank account. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you just subscribe, so that if you have any question, don't forget to leave that question in the comment below. I will just reply over it, or you can just follow me on Instagram at Dan Tech.